The most delicious breakfast recipe. You'll be surprised. Let's start by cutting the bread into slices. I love breakfast recipes, they're easy and quick to prepare. Add a drizzle of oil to a frying pan. Place the slices of bread in the pan. Then, in a bowl, add 5 eggs. Pepper to taste. Salt to taste. Mix everything together very well. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a big hug. Add 200 grams of cream. Mix everything again. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. That way I'll know if you liked this recipe. Now I'm going to chop up some cherry tomatoes to taste. Let me know which recipe you'd like to see here. That way I can bring you a variety of recipes. Place the chopped tomatoes in the container with the cream. Add chives to taste. Mix everything together. Now just put the cream on the bread. Then cover and cook for 10 minutes. After cooking, I'll turn it over so that it browns on the other side. Add cooked corn to taste. Parsley to taste. Cherry tomatoes to taste. Parmesan to taste. And let it cook for another 5 minutes. And our recipe is ready, easy and quick to prepare at home. A delicious breakfast. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.